guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today we'll keep it short and sweet and we'll be talking about 5 fragrances that will not fail you. They have amazing longevity, they have amazing scent trail, and actually they are perfect for any occasion you may think of. So if you are interested what are my 5 fragrances that will not fail you, please stay with me. My name is Justina, this is my perfume world. If you like it here, please consider subscribing to this channel, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's go. So these are my universal favorites. As I said, they will cover you any occasion you may have. Of course, it's my subjective opinion, but let's start with the first one. I am still obsessing with this fragrance and I know many people loves it, but the same amount of people seems to hate it. So it's 50-50. But for me, this one is very unique. This one is also from the type that is growing on you. So you need to test it out like a couple of times, same as I did. And first time when I was testing it, I was like, it's okay, it's really nice, but I don't think I need it. And then after, a day went by when I was wearing it, I was wearing another day something different. I couldn't get rid of this perfume from my mind and I needed to buy it. And I'm talking about, of course, about Amouage Guidance. This one, if you are going to like it, you are in trouble because you will be basically hunting for a bottle like crazy. This one is just beautiful. It has amazing, like nuclear scent trail. And it's really hard to describe. For many people, it smells like body odor. But for me, it's just beautiful. It's mouth-watering, it's cozy, it's spicy, it's flowery, it's fruity. I don't know what it is, but it's just so good. It has Akigala wood, which gives it like this peppery accord. It has sandalwood, hazelnut, it has osmanthus, it has rose. So beautiful. Very, very, very hard to describe. It also has pear. So as I said, it's slightly fruity, juicy, very long lasting. Actually, to be completely honest with you, you only need like maximum 2 sprays of it and you are good to go. And for sure, you'll be smelled and it will last on you the whole day. Or a party, if you are picking this perfume to wear on a party, it will not fail you whatsoever. It is so good, very much condensed. I do not know if it was reformulated. I've heard that many people says it's slightly weaker than it used to be. I don't know. I bought it like last year in September, I think, September, something like this. I don't remember the time exactly, but especially during fall time, I think I remember I bought it. Never mind, but yeah, for me, it's so, so good. Very, very long lasting. So yeah, Amouage Guidance. Another one which doesn't fail me for so many years now, and of course it's a classic, called classic, Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel. This one might be boring for many people, but for me it's still very, very magical. I have here Eau de Parfum Intense, and for me it doesn't matter which version you have. They're both pretty much the same for me. Beautiful scent profile. I always feel very elegant, very put together when I wear Coco Mademoiselle. It is so, so unique. As I said, after all these years, for me, very beautiful. It's like patchouli, bergamot, flowers, rose, jasmine. So, so beautiful, very unique. For me, it's still very unique. I know many people wears this fragrance, but it covers any occasion you may have as well. Elegant, casual, and you feel very elegant and put together. It lasts really long time, gives you a beautiful scent trail. So for me, it is also 10 out of 10, doesn't fail me at all. So yeah, Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel. Another one from mainstream ones will be Versace Crystal Noir. And I have here EDT. For me, this perfume is also very universal. You can wear it any occasion, dressed down, dressed up, for the day, for the night. It has everything right, just like that. It is perfectly cozy, but also perfectly clean and perfectly cold at the same time. I know that it contradicts itself very, very much, but that's how I feel this fragrance is. It is very contradictory, but at the same time, it works. You know, it strangely works. So beautiful. Coconut, ginger, cardamom. It is fresh sandalwood as well, which is beautifully creamy in here. It is like femme fatale vibes, but at the same time, you know, your girl next door vibes as well. Very alluring, very cozy, as I said, and slightly cold. A little bit soapy as well. For some people it's soapy, and I understand that. And I really like this effect. And it lasts really, really long time. For an EDT, the longevity and projection are just amazing. When I use it in the morning, I can still smell it on me in the evening. So 10 out of 10 as well. Another one will be perfect for especially warm days. At least for me, it is just perfect. Essential Parfums Bois Imperiale. This one is so, so good. If you like your herbal fragrances, unisex fragrances, fresh fragrances, like with some air to them, this one is just perfect. It has basil, it has akigala wood, so again we have this beautiful pepperiness in here. I really do like this fragrance, and it lasts a really long time on me. I know there are people who claim that it doesn't last. I don't know. At least on me, my experience is that this fragrance lasts really, really long time. And on clothes, it lasts just forever. And it's perfect actually for any occasion as well. Any part of the year, whether it be summer, winter, fall, autumn, it is just perfect. Very universal, very versatile for, as I said, any occasion. Very beautiful. So yeah, Bois Imperiale from Essential Parfums. And the last one, which is not that obvious, I think no one actually is talking about this fragrance, and I think it needs to be more highlighted. I really do like it. It is like classic, elegant fragrance, ladylike, beautiful, slightly powdery, slightly flowery, slightly vintage, but for me it's like modern vintage. And this one is from Masque Milano and is Dolce Aqua. So this is the last one from this list today. And this one is just beautiful. Just beautiful. It is powdery. It is delicate. It is, as I said, ladylike. So beautiful. Why no one is talking about it? This one is masterpiece. And even though it's not that heavy, it is very long lasting. It lasts on your hair very long time. Even after you wash your hair, you can still feel the scent lingering there. So beautiful. If you like classic compositions like Gabrielle Chanel, J'adore from Dior, Chanel No. 5, this one you need to try. Of course, it's not a dupe for any of them. It is not that similar, but I mean this vibe, like this beautiful, classy lady, old money vibe. That's what you get with this fragrance. Plus, the longevity is just amazing. I really wish many people would talk about it and many people would know it. This one is just so good. And I have received it from RAFINAD, it's Czech Parfumerie. I have 10% coupon code if you're interested. Of course, it's in the description. So you can go there and use it for RAFINAD or any other brand you are interested in. So yeah, Dolce Aqua from Masque Milano. And that were my 5 fragrances that are very versatile, that are not failing me in any occasion. Let me know what are your types. Thank you very much for watching today, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.